Alright, so I just opened up this filter dryer, cut it with a Sawzall, replaced it on a split unit. I had a ridiculous temp drop across the filter dryer. I think it was like a 40-degree temperature difference. So this is the desiccant. It's the inlet side, I think. Found this in here. I don't know if that's supposed to do it or not. I was shaking it when we took it out and heard something bouncing around in there. I think this was it. This is the other half of the desiccant. And then I pulled it out. The desiccant had this piece on there. I don't know what that is or if it's supposed to be there. But it's just like a kind of a spongy material. So it's sitting like this on the outlet side. So I don't know if that's supposed to be there. Here's the screen. Not too bad. You can see right through it. And where's the other end of the shell? But I don't know. I've never seen a filter dryer with have a temp split across it. Pretty crazy. Felt the beer can cooled on the outlet side. The pipe going out of it.